We're here with Shae Lovve, and we're gonna go out tonight. So we're gonna get in our closet and pick out an outfit we like. Let's snap. Shirt, skirt, shoes, slay, Shae.
And I don't wanna freak you out.
2 more times.
But baby, all I think about
Yes.
is you and me.
Now strut to the mirror. Strut.
You whisper something
And work
in
that
my ear.
reflection.
The only thing I wanna hear.
Walk. Oh my gosh, is this the best mirror we've ever seen? Or are we just that hot? Now swipe away. Grab your purse. Is that designer? Now shower. You're showering in compliments. Swipe away fast now. Purse. Yes, shower. You're getting compliments left and right. Purse. Shower. Good. Let's snap. We're going out again. We're going on Shae Lovve Live. So we have to look fierce. Slay. Throw away. Grab your purse. It's full of Weight Watchers points. How are you gonna spend them? Speed this up. Woo! Shower. You're getting compliments from strangers on the internet, and it feels so good. Shower. Strut front. Slay. Dip. Look at that booty. I wish I had one. All round. Now dip. One more time. Your purse is so heavy with points. How are you going to get rid of them? Shower. One last time. Purse. Shower, Shae, in compliments. Oh my gosh, yes, queen. Strut. Take it back. Last one. Dip. You are a star. Oh my God.